I am Dr. PSV Shanmukhi, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, Aditya University. Now I am going to explain about the Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. So at the end of this lecture, students will be able to understand what is the Schrodinger time independent wave equation. Later on, you can able to derive the Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. Now coming to the Schrodinger time dependent wave equation derivation, actually we can derive this one by using the Schrodinger time independent wave equation. The Schrodinger time independent wave equation is given by del square psi plus 2m by h cross square e minus v into psi is equal to 0. This is the Schrodinger time independent wave equation, and coming to the solution, assumed solution for this one is given by psi is equal to psi naught e power minus I omega t. Psi means psi of xyz t, it is equal to psi naught of xyz e power minus I omega t. So this is the assumed solution. Now just I take d psi by dt, first derivative, differentiating this one with respect to t, e power minus I omega t, differentiation is as usual we get into minus I omega. So this is minus I omega psi naught e power minus I omega t we get. Again actually omega, it is the angular velocity or angular frequency, it is given by 2 pi nu. Omega is equal to 2 pi nu. That's why it is written as dou psi by dou t, it is equal to minus I 2 pi nu psi naught e power minus I omega t. Okay, actually psi naught of this one, psi naught e power minus I omega t is written as again psi of xyz t. That's why dou psi by dou t is given by minus 2 pi I, that is nu into psi. This one we get. Actually we have the equation or energy expression E equals to h nu, or E is equal to hc by lambda, anything you can write, h nu, or nu is equal to E by h. Actually in the quantum mechanics there is a notation, h cross is equal to h by 2 pi. You can say h cross or h cut, h by 2 pi. That's why this dou psi by dou t, it is written as, actually dou psi by dou t, it is equal to 2 pi I nu into psi is there, that nu is written as E by h, or h by 2 pi is written, say this one, the 2 pi is written in the denominator, automatically we can write minus I E by h cross into psi. Therefore what is this dou psi by dou t we get? Minus I E by h cross into psi. So something we got, the first derivative of the psi, dou psi by dou t is equal to minus I E by h cross into psi we are getting. Actually the Schrodinger time independent wave equation is of the form del square psi plus 2m by h cross square E minus v into psi is equal to 0. Just rearrange the terms, means we are just multiplying this one with minus h cross square by 2m on both sides. What do you get? Minus h cross square by 2m del square, actually that v means plus v into psi minus e into psi is equal to 0 we get. That e psi is written in the RHS. So we got some equation form. Okay, now I just want to write I into dou psi by dou t. So what is the dou psi by dou t? Already we got minus I E by h cross into psi. That's why I dou psi by dou t, it is written as minus I into I by E by h cross into psi. This one we are getting. I into I means I square, but actually I square is equal to minus 1. Anyhow minus I square is there, we get plus 1, E by h cross into psi we get. Now I into dou psi by dou t, it is equal to E by h cross into psi. This h cross term, I am just writing this one in the LHS. Automatically what we get? IH cross dou by dou t is equal to E psi we get. So this is of the form H psi is equal to E psi. See, actually I am just writing this is the Schrodinger wave equation minus h cross square between del square psi plus V psi is equal to E psi. Actually we have, what is E psi we got? E into psi is equal to IH cross dou by dou t we got. That's why the same thing is written in the RHS. Again it is written in the form of H psi is equal to E psi. So what is this H psi? Minus h cross square by 2m del square plus V, that is H capital H cap or H crown, anything you can write. That is called Hamiltonian operator. And RHS, what is this E psi? What is E? That is given by IH cross dou by dou t. That is called energy operator. The H cap or H crown is called Hamiltonian operator or simply Hamiltonian. E cap or E is written as IH cross dou by dou t, energy operator. So this H psi is equal to E psi is called Schrodinger time dependent wave equation, or it is in the extension form minus h cross square by 2m del square plus V into psi is equal to I h cross dou by dou t. This is called Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. Actually in this one, coming to the summary of this one, the Schrodinger time independent wave equation we have written. What is the Schrodinger time independent wave equation? From that one, how we have derived the Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. Once again just recapping this one, Schrodinger time independent wave equation is of the form del square psi plus 2m by h cross square E minus V into psi is equal to 0. And in that one we are assuming the solution psi. Afterwards I am taking dou psi by dou t. Only once it is taken as the derivative. Once derivative is taken, that's why time will not be eliminated from the wave function. That's why the final equation is said to be Schrodinger time dependent wave equation. So anyhow, here I have written dou psi by dou t, and omega is written in terms of linear frequency in nu, and afterwards rearranging the terms I got dou psi by dou t is equal to minus I E by h cross psi, where h cross is equal to h by 2 pi, and afterwards this Schrodinger, in the Schrodinger wave equation, this E psi is substituted, and on simplifying this one we got the equation minus h cross square by 2m del square plus V into psi is equal to IH cross dou psi by dou t. This is called Schrodinger time dependent wave equation, or in the simplest form it is written as H psi is equal to E psi, where H cap or H crown is called Hamiltonian operator and E is called energy operator. Okay, thank you very much.